Lesson number first from the 7th standard, subject is science, the living world, adaptation and classification. When you are ready, click start, then answer the questions. You have only 40 seconds to give answer. Select the proper words to fill in the blanks. Dash dash trees like pine and deodar flourish in snowy regions like Kashmir. Options are carnivorous, stem, webbed and coniferous. I think the answer is coniferous trees like pine and deodar flourish in snowy regions like Kashmir. Yes. The surfaces of leaves and stems of many aquatic plants are covered with a dash dash. Stem, webbed, vexillary, coniferous, carnivorous. I think the answer is vexillary. All the aquatic plants which are in water, the leaves and stems are covered with vexillary. It is correct. The dash dash of the desert plants stores water and food. Options are stem, carnivorous, coniferous, vexillary, webbed. I think the answer is stem. Correct. Select the proper words to fill in the blanks. Ducks have dash dash toes which are used like oars. And the answer options are coniferous, stem, carnivorous, vexillary, webbed. I think the answer is webbed toes. Correct. Select the proper words again to fill in the blanks. Binomial nomenclature was discovered by, I think the name of that scientist must be here, that is Carl Linnaeus. Yes, that is the correct answer. The stems of cactus perform dash dash in the absence of leaves. Here the options are irrelative, but here is the option is photosynthesis. Yes, it is correct. You have to find the correct relative answer or fill in the blanks. Grasses in dash dash region are very tall. Now grasses in dash dash region, that is not parasitic, that may be equatorial. Photosynthesis is not the option of that relative. Herbivorous or carnivorous is not. Fishes is also not the answer. It may be equatorial. Correct. Select the proper words to fill in the blanks. Plants like dodder, cascata, that is are dash dash, and I think this is not equatorial. Photosynthesis, fishes, herbivorous, carnivorous. It is parasitic. Dodder is a parasitic plant. Yes, it is the correct answer. Select the proper words again. Dash dash have scales on the skin and fins on the body. Now again from the list of these options, I think that is a fishes. Yes, it is the correct answer. Select the proper words to fill in the blanks again. Animals have been categorized as dash dash and dash dash. Now here are the two fill in the blanks, and here are the two options which have to fill in the blanks: herbivorous and carnivorous, autotrophic and heterotrophic. Autotrophic is relative to plants, and herbivorous carnivorous is related to animals. So I think this is the option. Yes, it is correct. Now I will stop this for this section.